treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Chrysler 200. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Chrysler prioritized comfort and style by including a built-in garage door transmitter, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.